How to set up Streamlabs for Twitch. Setting up Streamlabs for Twitch allows you to utilize a powerful suite of tools for stream management, customization, and interaction, enhancing the quality of your Twitch streams and providing a more engaging experience for your audience. Now here's how we are going to do it. First things first, let's go to our settings right over here, and then we're just going to click it and we're going to go to stream. Now here we have Twitch, so as you can see it is still unlinked. We're just going to click connect. We're going to connect once again. Alright, there you go. So as you can see it says something went terribly wrong, but if I'm going to go to the home page and then I'm going to go to the settings, and then here in account settings we have here platform. I'm just going to click that one. You will see that my Twitch has now been linked, so we're going to go to Streamlabs to check that one. Okay, it seems that I have not done that yet, so what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna close this one and basically just refresh my Streamlabs. Okay, there we go. We're going to go back to settings and then we're going to click stream. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, now it is here. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the broadcasting guidelines right over here. So basically this is Twitch's stream guidelines in order to maximize the stream's output. So here's the thing. We have here NVIDIA if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. If you don't, this is X264 specs. You're going to be using this one. So I already have a tutorial about this in the previous video, but I'm just gonna run through here a little bit and real quick. So we have here, and I'm just going to make it. Okay, there you go. So this is what I'm going to do. Now I'm just going to go here in the settings, and then we're going to be basically using 1080p 30 fps. So that's what we want. We're going to go first in our output, and then under output we have here the encoder. We have X264, so this is for streaming. Again, I don't have an NVIDIA graphics card, so that's why I'm using this one. But you also have here a QuickSync H264, so basically just choose between the two. Again, I don't have an NVIDIA graphics card, that's why I'm using that one. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go here in the CBR. So as you can see, we have here a CBR, that's the rate. And then the bitrate that I'm using is 4000, but you can bump it up to about 4500. I think 4000 works for me, so I'm not going to be changing that one. Now after the bitrate, we're going to go here, keyframe interval. So I'm just going to set this one to 2. There we go. And then we're going to go to video. So for the video we have 1920 by 1080. So that's the one that I have. And then for the output, you can use this one, 1920 by 1080p. So still the same thing. Now downscale, basically the downscale filter is not going to be much of use because we're using the same resolution for the base and for the output. Now next is the FPS type. So the one that I use is integer FPS, but common FPS should work very well for you guys. So you can adjust this to 25 to 30, but I just want to max it to around 30. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how you're going to set up Streamlabs for Twitch. And by the way, I would highly suggest to upgrade to Streamlabs Ultra to level up your streaming quality and experience. You can save up to $10 of discount right away after clicking on the link in the description box and the comment section below. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.